To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your 850 Titan Adventure Ultimate, follow these steps. Park the snowmobile on a flat surface, set the parking brake, and remove the key. Now, remove both side panels by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches. Then, lift the hood up slightly. Disconnect the hood wire harness connector and remove the hood. Now, using the Torx tool end of the spark plug wrench, remove the 2 fasteners from the load center. Continue by removing the 2 pushpin rivets from the front intake tube. Remove the front intake tube and set aside. Next, carefully unclip the retention clamps from the radiator hoses and rotate the load center away from the radiator. Then, remove the spark plug leads. Clean the area around the spark plugs so no debris falls into the engine when the plugs are removed. Now, using the spark plug wrench, remove the spark plugs by rotating it counterclockwise. If reusing the spark plugs, take note of the cylinders they were installed in for reinstallation. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup and verify there are no cracks around the insulator. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Next, inspect the spark plugs for the correct color. A light brown and dark tan color indicates the engine is running properly. If the spark plug electrode insulator tip is white, the engine may be running lean. Inspect the engine, throttle body boots, etc. for air leaks. If the spark plug electrode insulator is black, oily, or shows heavy soot, the engine may be running rich. Inspect the engine, fuel system, and lubrication system for problems. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gaps if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plug. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect plug is used. Next, carefully install the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Before continuing, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the spark plug caps. Then, reconnect the spark plug caps onto the spark plugs and ensure they are secure. Now, reinstall the load center back onto the radiator and reconnect clamps to the radiator hoses. Reinstall the front intake tube. Ensure the tube is fully inserted and aligned with the intake tube assembly. Then, install the 2 pushpin rivets. After this, reinstall the 2 load center fasteners. Then, place the spark plug wrench back into the holder. Next, reinstall the hood panel, ensuring the front tabs are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the hood wire harness connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by securing the 2 hood panel latches. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Then, turn the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. Finally, in a well-ventilated area, start the vehicle to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.